handsome lad with his brand new Helly Hansen jacket.
We do some sailing today, Will?
Looking good. Alright, good morning world. This is our stuff. Getting ready to transport the boat from Victoria back to Nanaimo. So Pops is going to come pick us up here pretty quick and we'll make way to Victoria.
He will. So we're just coming into Sidney. We're headed to the Canoe Cove Marina. It's a little bit foggy this morning, but we're hoping it's going to burn off. So we're taking the boat home to Nanaimo. Not much for wind today, so I think we'll mostly be motoring. Yeah, light winds from the north-northwest, I think, is the forecast. So, yeah, we're on our way. Woohoo!
That gives you a warm feeling.
Yeah. That made me a little nervous.
Oh,
What's happening now?
I'm just letting the engine warm up.
Was it just cold?
Yeah.
Will's already comfortable.
He's got his spot picked in.
Yeah, he's just waiting for a blanket. What do you think?
Cold.
It's cold. What do you think of the boat?
Awesome. It's the best.
That's pretty cool. A lot more space, eh? This is probably going to be Will's V-berth. We haven't decided yet. We'll take you on a tour later.
So after transferring all our gear onto the boat and warming up the motor, we anxiously started our trip back home.
Good morning, Captain Matt. First day at the helm of his new 37.5 Beneteau. Just maneuvering out of Canoe Cove Marina.
But perfect. Sunny.
Oh, it's so calm. Yeah, we aren't gonna have really any wind to speak of for sailing home, but it sure is a nice day for it considering it's January on the West Coast. So I think it should be a really nice day to sail home or motor home. It's just so calm out here today. And the sun is shining. Just beautiful. How you doing?
Good.
Can I help?
This is fireball in the sky.
Yeah, I know. I can't even tell if I've got you in the frame. So bright. How's it going? Got a little bit of current happening. Samson Narrow?
The beginning of it, I'm not sure if it's just the channel.
Sun's out, guns out.
Oh, it's beautiful, that sun.
And then our 14-year-old.
No jacket.
No jacket. What are you wearing today?
I am wearing a t-shirt, a very warm hoodie, and what I like to call my parka.
Boat parka?
Now, it used to be my soccer parka for watching soccer games, but now it's my boat parka, I guess. And then we have this guy who's not even wearing a jacket. And no shoes.
Yeah, no shoes. And you should be wearing a life jacket, but
Yes.
it's so calm out
It's
here
so
right now.
calm.
I'm not stressing about it.
So calm. So we're just coming up to Dodds Narrows on our way to Nanaimo from Sidney. It's about 3:15. Low tide's at 3:30, so we timed it pretty well. We left Sidney this morning at 9:30. We've been averaging about 6 knots. Didn't get the sails up, unfortunately. There wasn't much wind, and what wind we did have was coming straight from the north, which is the way we're headed. So didn't work out today to get the sail up, but that's okay. It's been a very pleasant January day. A little cold, but you know, for January, what do you expect? How are you doing?
Good.
How you doing?
My digits are a little bit chilly, but yeah, the new jacket worked really, really well. The wind didn't cut through whatsoever, and nice and toasty. Lying
Nice and toasty.
toasty.
I wouldn't have called today toasty, but
Well, not the day, but my torso. My toes are a little bit chilly, my fingers are cold. But, I mean,
almost there.
imagine if it was raining. Oh, that would have been horrible. Well, yeah, probably within 5 minutes we'll be zipping through the Narrow,
Yeah. Right.
and then we'll turn into the sun and sail off into the sunset.
Here's the little point that we often walk out to with the dog. I see someone walking out there now. Last time we were down here, we saw sea lions. It's fun. You can see some current over here. Eight knots, Matt says. 8 knots, Captain Matt. Woohoo!
That was fun.
Yeah, that was good. That was good timing. Whoa! Bit of current there. How'd that go, Matt? Woo! That was easy breezy.
Piece of cake.
So you can hear the sea lions out right in front of us. So we're gonna try and get in a little closer and take a look, but they're so loud. I don't know if you can hear them, but this is so cool.
So after a great but chilly day on the water, we were looking forward to pulling up into the marina and getting a hot coffee. Hi. Oh, he wants to find you.
Hi. What you looking for?
Collapsible wagon for the sailboat.
Where do you think we would find a collapsible wagon.
Here we go.
Oh, aisle 10.
Bingo.
This will be very handy for the boat.
You can get a lot of beer in there.
What do you think, Keeper? Can we put you in there?
Oh, yeah. Keeper rides.
It's a weekday trip to Canadian Tire.
Yes.
Dog friendly.
Hey, Keeper.
What do you got? Nice. Are you gonna pull me home?
It's rated for 150 pounds, so it's good.
We'll just hook the dog up to it and he can
Yeah.
pull me home.
Little dog sled.
Yeah.
Rigid floor. How's it working, Peg?
I don't know. I'm a little nervous. I don't want to break it. Keeper
Oh.
wants to get in with me.
Is that true? Hey, Peg. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. 1 month till spring break.
What is this nonsense? Well, just down here at the boat, gonna get a little bit of interior projects started. Take a look around, maybe flash up the heater, but it's a brisk day here on February 14th, celebrating Valentine's Day in Nanaimo style. All right, let's go inside and warm up. Hello! Welcome to Sailing Floating Freedom. For our American friends, we're just here keeping the stereotype strong that we deal with snow all the time. I know it's halfway through February, but this is horseshit. This doesn't usually happen.
No, but if it does happen, it happens in February
Yeah, true enough.
here in Nanaimo.
In another 4 weeks from now, we'll be wearing sunscreen.
Well, next week we could be. That's how it goes here in the late winter, early spring.
Yeah.
Hard to believe, like maybe in a month we'll be sailing for spring break and hopefully
Yeah.
we won't be dealing with any of
Hopefully we'll
this.
need snow shovels for the sailboat.
Yeah.
Here's to hoping.
So current temperature on the boat. Oh, we're up to 4 degrees.
Whoop whoop.
It's got the heater going. Are we gonna try put the diesel heat on?
Yeah, I'm gonna try the diesel. It's nice and ducted, so warm up the whole boat.
Yeah.
And I think it exchanges the air as well, so prevents some condensation after it warms up when we're in here.
Snowy out there. You can't even see outside. So today we're here to change out the lights. Matt,
This is some
my
pretty
electrician.
some pretty high-end tech here, but I think we're gonna do an upgrade.
Yeah. They're really crappy. Like they don't even throw any light whatsoever.
No,
so
it's like truck stop bathroom level. Super
oh, I
creepy.
don't even think it's that high end.
Boom. All right, you want to try out the new light to see if there's much of a difference between the old one? Do we have the old one on?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
This does nothing.
It does light up. You can tell that it's lit, but that's about it. It doesn't.
throw any light whatsoever.
No.
Well, maybe a teeny bit.
Okay, let's try this one.
Yeah. Woo! Does it have another setting?
The other way?
Oh. Yeah. That's bright.
Yeah.
I'm just wondering if this will be too bright
Too much of a good thing?
over here, or if we would be able to get a light that we could dim, just if we were wanting something.
Yeah.
If we were having dinner or
It
whatever,
may be
we
the-
might not want it to be like uber bright,
Like-
over top of us. But we do have this old fixture that I would like to replace. But
Well, what if we had to do a surgery or something?
right, like if I had to give you stitches.
Because I was talking back.
Right. Anyway, something to think about.
We had high hopes of doing more work on the boat to get it ready for spring sailing, but winter was not done with us yet. Next, we get to go on a shopping spree and start outfitting the new boat for sailing. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Somewhere where the weather's warmer, Kahului to Lahaina. Promise that I won't forget you. Promise that I'll always find you. I can be your January rain. Take you away from all the pain. We can do anything that you can dream on an island so far.